If you're looking to scale your credit repair business to a 6 and 7-figure months, you're going to need a credit repair sales team. I'm the owner of the credit repair lead system, where we teach credit repair business owners how to sell and scale a profitable, sustainable credit repair business. In this video, I'm going to give you the top 3 strategies for building a successful credit repair sales team. Number 1 is you need to hire the right people. In the interview process, when you're recruiting sales people, the number 1 thing you want to look at is the speed of response. If they're not responding quick enough, that's a red flag. They're probably not going to be the right fit for your company because they're not even responding. You got to understand, as a salesperson, you are their lead, and this is how they're treating their lead. You want a salesperson that's quick to respond and also quick to follow up with you. Number 2 is you want someone who's intelligent. If someone sounds like an idiot or they're talking too much and they're not listening, then it's not going to work out. These are going to be the people that potentially represent your business and brand. If they're talking too much and they're not listening, then they're not going to be able to understand the prospect's needs and probably not going to close any deals for you. You want someone who can listen and talk and who is socially aware. Number 3, you want someone who's coachable. You can usually measure coachability by getting them to role play with you. All you have to do is give them a little bit of context. Now, let them know you don't care about how well they sell you. I just want to hear how you talk through things. When they do this, make sure to give them feedback. And if they can take the feedback without an ego, that lets you know they're coachable. Not only that, if they make improvement on the second try, then you know that they can improve. These strategies will help you build a successful credit repair sales team. If you'd like to work with me and my 7-figure credit repair sales team to help you get more clients and make more money, then make sure you check out the credit repair lead system or just click on the link below. Schedule a time to talk to us, see if we can help you scale your credit repair business.